Hello everyone. So today we have a role play session, and this is Sanjeev Singh, and beside this person is named by Dheeraj, and we are just going to talk each other, and how we are just going to talk each other. You will just see that, and how we are going to perform role play session. We have to also know that because you all just played well, and I don't want to just say that, but I want to say you the different look of this session because this session is very important. So, this how are you?
Sir, I'm fine, sir.
You are fine. Really, you are fine. What's the reason that you are fine?
Because after a long time, I feel very confident in my study.
What's the reason that you are feeling very confident in your study? Is there any reason behind it?
Because regularly I am focusing on my study and increasing my number of hours of study.
So you are just increasing number of hours in your study. Do you think that if we are increasing number of hours, we are not focusing on quality matter, and you are just increasing hours? So increasing hour is important.
So I think all things is important because only hard work is not important. I prefer smart work. So only number of hours is not important. Apart from that, quality also matters, and also take strategy and also plans also matters.
I hope that if you are just preparing well, then definitely I pray to God that Dheeraj will get success in his life. Dheeraj, can you make friendship with me?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that you will be feeling comfortable with me after making friendship?
Yes, sir.
Again, you are saying, sir, then how can I just believe in that?
Because sir, you are most.
You are not accepting me as a friendship.
No, sir.
Again, you are saying, sir. If you are saying, sir, then how can I expect?
Sir, I accept.
Again, you are saying, sir. How can I expect? Because if you are make my friend, then definitely you shouldn't say, sir.
Okay, I want to just talk with your name. So I want to make you friend because many persons say that you should make your friend who is more intelligent than you.
Don't you think that I am intelligent than you?
Yes, sir.
But I think that you are more knowledgeable than me.
No, sir.
No, I just think that you have much more knowledge than me.
You are more.
I have experience, but I don't have knowledge because you are just focusing on ancient, modern, and whatever. But I don't have this type of knowledge. Who was Akbar? Who was Babur? I don't know. But you don't. You have each and everything knowledge about that.
I think in friendship, every friend teach from another friend.
Okay, Dheeraj, I want to ask one personal question. Can you tell me?
Yes.
What's the reason that you are sad nowadays? Is there any reason behind it?
No, sir. I just want to.
Okay, please don't say sir first of all.
Okay, I just want to keep calm myself because.
So, if you don't talk with anyone, you are becoming sad. Your mood is looking like off. Your face is not saying a smile. Then it is the sign of that.
No, whenever necessary, I just talk and I also
Tell me what happened with you, please.
So
I'm your friend now. Please tell me what happened with you.
There is nothing.
No, there is something happened with you because you were that person who was talking with each other. You were just talking a lot. Now you are very silent. Please tell me what happened here. Please, I'm your friend, yaar.
No, there is no reason.
No, please, don't tell a lie. Please, there is no any gap between you and me. So nothing is personal here. So please tell me.
I just want to restructure myself and my personality.
But it doesn't mean that we have to change our behavior. We have to change our knowledge because we are totally frustrated nowadays. We have lots of tension, but in spite of all things, if we don't want to come out from that tension, then how get? So if we get some time, we have to enjoy with that. So please tell me again. I'm asking you lastly that what happened with you.
If you think so that I am little bit sad or depressed, then I will restructure myself and because of
So is there any reason you are in love? Because if person is in love, then definitely he becomes like that.
No, I don't.
Is there any girl whom you love and like most, but that girl is not giving vow?
No.
Do you believe in love?
Yes, I believe in love.
Is there any girl who has just attracted you?
So I don't think this type of.
But please don't tell a lie because you are in that stage and you should just know. You just tell me that. Is there any girl till now who has attracted you?
I am fond of reading, so I only focus on.
Please, why you are? Because you know when this age is that age where everybody is frank. Even father asked to the son that, is there any girl, please tell me, otherwise I am going to marry with you, with someone. So is there any girl who has attracted you till now?
No, sir.
Then why do you have seen to talk with lots of girls?
Sir, I am not talking with.
No, even I have just listened in library that you are talking with a girl. No, sir. Yes, I have just listened. No, I have just listened that there is a girl and you are talking with that.
No, you can ask from my friend.
Why should I ask? I have believe on my ear.
Sir, I am talking with my friends, male friends or family.
No, you have just seen that your friends are also telling that you have been just seen with female friend most of the time.
You can check my contact.
I am not talking. I will contact this with Kazakhstan. It may happen that name is in Hindi in male name also.
Sir, I am not talking to any girls.
How can you say that? No one is like yesterday. I just saw you on the road that you are just going with a girl. Yesterday, I am just talking. Yesterday, from my eyes, I have just seen that you were with a girl.
No, sir.
Okay, please don't feel. I have just seen from my eyes.
No, sir. I am.
How can you say that? Please.
I am confident.
I have just seen even Saturday evening also. I just saw.
Sir, I don't know.
Saturday evening also I just saw you that you were with a girl.
No, sir. No, because my sister living.
I know her sister, yeah, very well. He is my friend. I don't know who is sister and who is not sister.
Sir,
The way he was talking, that was showing that he was talking with a girl and that girl, and he was just smiling a lot. That's why I'm just asking question to him.
No, sir. Because you are friends, so you are just. I think make fun of him, fun of me.
No, I don't. Do you think that my face is showing like that I'm making fun?
No, sir. Because a friend has right to make fun of his.
But I am very serious.
Sir, I don't think you are serious.
Yeah. Am I looking like I'm very serious? I just talk what I see and what I listen.
Okay, but I think.
And one of your friend has just made. Okay, please Utkarsh come here. Utkarsh, please come. So he's the friend of Mr. Dheeraj, and he will just open all pool of Dheeraj. So what do you want to say?
No, sir, Dheeraj have not interested in any kind of girls.
How can you say that? I have just seen that he always just talk with the girl.
Sir, if Dheeraj is talking with any kind of girl for the education purpose, not beyond to the.
Why doesn't he talk with a male friend also? He always just fascinated with girls friend.
No, sir. It's.
I haven't just seen him that he has just even sit with Amanullah or Hassan or Kunal or anyone, but he has just talked with all girls. What's the reason?
Sir, it's a part and parcel of the life. If
Where is partiality? If I am a teacher, I am going to play partiality with you, and I am just looking after girls and I am not looking after boys, then what will happen? You will also say that sir, you are doing partiality. Don't you think that? आप girls पर ज़्यादा focus करते हो, boys पर नहीं करते हो. तो it may happen.
it's human tendency, sir.
What? Which type of human tendency, sir? Which type of human tendency is?
You know that positive charge and negative charge.
So then why he just showing his face that he is discharged kind of person. Now he has totally discharged.
No, sir. The education the dreams he just wanted to achieve, and this is much harder, and he just studying across 10 or 12 hours, and in that case,
If a person is studying 10 to 15 hours, if a person is studying 10 to 12 hours, then a person can become dull. Then I am working more than him.
yes, sir.
I'm very energetic. I'm just working 40 to 15 hours per day. Where is
Sir,
it?
he is a student and you are just a teacher.
A student, every teacher was there was a time that he was a student also.
Okay, sir, it's totally my responsibility.
You will just ask that what is the reason and who is your bhabi. So you should just meet with that and just make first so that his face will, a smile will come on his face so that he can do like that.
भाभी की छोटी बहन है कि नहीं?